Volcanoes are Earth's fiery mountains, but how do they form? Most volcanoes are born where massive tectonic plates collide or pull apart beneath our feet. When a heavy oceanic plate dives under a lighter continental plate, a process called subduction, it sinks deep into the mantle. There, intense heat and pressure release water from the sinking plate, which lowers the melting point of surrounding rock, creating magma. This magma, less dense than solid rock, rises through cracks in the Earth's crust, building pressure until it bursts out as a volcanic eruption. But volcanoes don't only form at plate boundaries. Some appear over hotspots, where plumes of hot magma rise from deep inside the mantle, punching through the crust like the Hawaiian Islands. Did you know about the Ring of Fire? It's a horseshoe-shaped zone around the Pacific Ocean where 75% of the world's active volcanoes live, making it one of the most geologically active and dangerous places on Earth. So, volcanoes are the dramatic surface expression of Earth's restless interior, shaped by plate tectonics, water, and deep heat working together over millions of years. Did you know the Earth shakes somewhere on the planet dozens of times every day? Most are so tiny we can't feel them, but they reveal a restless planet beneath our feet. Earthquakes happen when huge slabs of Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, slowly move, but sometimes they get stuck. As the plates strain against each other, energy builds up like a coiled spring. When the stuck edges suddenly slip, that energy bursts out as seismic waves, shaking the ground. This slip usually happens along faults, cracks in the crust where rocks break and move. But here's a twist. Not all quakes are natural. Human activities like injecting wastewater deep underground can increase pressure and trigger earthquakes, especially in places like Oklahoma. Every month, a major earthquake, magnitude 7 or higher, shakes the Earth, and about once a year, a devastating quake of magnitude 8 or more can level cities. Earthquakes also create tsunamis, giant ocean waves that can travel at 600 miles per hour and grow into walls of water when they hit shore. So, earthquakes aren't just sudden shakes, they're powerful reminders of Earth's dynamic interior, constantly reshaping our world in ways we're still trying to fully understand. Have you ever looked up and wondered why birds fly in a perfect V shape? It's not just for show, it's a brilliant energy-saving strategy. When the lead bird flaps its wings, it creates tiny air currents called vortices that push air upward right behind it. The birds flying behind position themselves in these upwash zones, catching a free lift that makes flying easier, like riding an invisible air elevator. This lets them use 20 to 30% less energy, helping them travel thousands of miles during migration. But here's the cool part. The birds don't just follow blindly. They actually synchronize their wing beats with the bird in front, timing their flaps to catch the air currents perfectly if they get out of sync. They adjust their wing beats to avoid turbulence. And the leader, it's a tough job cutting through the wind, so birds take turns flying to the front, sharing the hard work to keep the whole flock going strong. So next time you see that V in the sky, remember, it's nature's aerodynamic masterpiece, a flying team working together to conquer the skies.